me! It's in my hair! Say it again.
Here's me and an amazing helicopter.
Okay, so it's an icy day. Bobby's wearing his helmet because we're flying his helicopter. Whoa! Bobby! This is the helicopter that Santa Claus brought for him. All right, let's see what you got. No. Oh, jeez. Whoa, whoa. Bobby, are you a little crazy?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
I really love you.
I love you too. Go on.
I love everyone. Listen, you will make it happen. I got that part.
Because you have spikes on your head like an anemone. An anemone. Take off number 2 or 35. Can't remember which one it is. Oh Jesus! Oh, whoa! Here comes a cat to investigate what's going on. John, I would get out of there if I were you. I would be careful if I were you. Woo! John. Okay, ready. Hey, Bobby, you're a good captain.
Thank you.
He's upside down. He's upside down. Wait a minute, he's upside down. Go fix him. Well, Bobby, turn him off first. Don't pick him up. Hey, turn him off. Uh-oh. Whoa, he's just going in circles. Nice flying, babe. Oh, spoke too soon. Oh, spoke too soon. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Are you okay?
It got me. It got me. It got me. It's in my hair.
Are you okay?
Oh Lord. Oh my gosh. It's really in my hair.
Mommy, are you okay? Are you okay?
Do not turn it on. How am I going to get this out of my hair? Oh my gosh. It is nested in my head.